This is the video for kinetics homework 4. The problem I probably most understood was problem 413, as it was a very simple, straightforward reaction problem compared to some of the other ones that were in this homework. For example, for part 1, we were looking to find the amount of catalyst that would achieve an 85% conversion. So through this method, we just have our initial, or just our parameters. We have our mass balances, and then we have our auxiliary equations, which are required, like your rate law and other sorts of things in there, F total. And then you have your initial conditions, you plug it in and you make a guess for your weight. And in the end, you get an outlet of 0.85. And for the part 2, it's kind of the same. Just you had to do it for CSTR, and this time we were looking for the weight needed for 0.85. And it was up here, which is 4.052 times 10 to the 5th. The problem I probably understood the least was 418. It was very confusing. I was not sure. The parameters for like the PFR for the polymath seemed pretty straightforward and the same, but it was still a little confusing. And then further down the line, when you get to CSTR and doing the part with R and trying to calculate that, that was very confusing to me. So I used some of the solutions to help understand parts 2 and 3. Parts 1 and 2 were a little less confusing, but it's still this was my difficult problem, part 18.